Ogba Yopa de Fonji. Or even ya de Twisi ni not barely ke or ye necktie.
That didn't know why that guy for connect. A dear Bella Moto is different. What can
But to Benson, Manore Dutch advantage coming. Manore Dutch Mario Jagbe. Oga with your mono. Oh, Benimama Agberoda. Oh,
Mama can't bear. Mama can't bear. Matobi can't bear.
Mama, okay. Jamie, my wapro, a law.
My sister, one of Jamie. If you woman, they fight. Take not day.
Oh, I miss it. We almost some
the video.
But it's one of Jamie. I said I say not be man and woman. Now woman to woman.
Well, we have a domestic fair. Okay, we all know Africa shop bugere ya gwogwewa. Mabega me mai gbaru nu unu na de social media. Na in me mai gbaru nu e. Won we yen wa bere no game maton. Egbe gudo amuyen. And me wey dey talk say roda, they hide for a no game back. Where wa le kian
Enogi save Enogi.
Me na beti ere viva. Ina we ere nora e to magi latian. Well, we
don't get save you my guy.
Oh, mama we be mama just dey carry age. Oma robi first data. O de wa sanle iye ore do gi osabu e.
Ijo le si go mo da wo yan gbe.
No ke ma ko e na ni ma video kere na oxona. Just as I do the video. I know it no get trash, Shana man. You no go let something happen. Oh, I beg polo excuse. No get try. Excuse when the carry I try. Ew. No, you no get matter. You try. Now ma you be. They go where ambulance here. That day is the father. What am I saying? No get try. Ambulance here. That day. Enoge wa gade roda te wa de ye 6 feet marry space in at o man roda in advance ni o manu
ya ye gbe e de awo bebe si gomo da no te bo na agele mu e dete roda oh we know there since yesterday roda go don enter live video la jabe de Sunday ye twi so let me tell that for when awon yan we care that for gimu na e wa le to ya gwa lo ko be odo be social media.
She's depressed, so I don't really know what depressed.
I last week. She's depressed.
I haven't seen go for that anyway. I have a solo. Bobby love, they come for you. Bobby love video.
Imani boy. Tell me ya jereban. Me say boy ni. Nobody live video no gwani ha ni wutie. Me say boy.
I bet you're standing on.
Good morning, ma. From my side.
Any polo monkey.
You have a friend there.
Is that you have a friend there because of the friend?
Zaddy get a roda camera down. Zaddy be popular with the camera down. Roda, waga is stressed. No, we are going to camera down. Roda.
All the time.
She wele roda. We are their roda. Husband slash roda.
Wow.
You go there sleep with woman where the husband has. Sadie.
Husband.
Husband has here. Baby shark.
But
your boy exists. Okay, I'm married old man.
Yeah, if you can't even look to me, pass the money. Okay, we have your son there.
I tell you.
I'm not coming anyway. If for meeting him, then I went to so. Because when I don't have my original.
That's true.
I know I've messed with mine. I will not pay back. Your prayer will not be heard by God. But when I see her, it was Saloba.
Mama says you fresh.
Deal with them. Deal with them aimlessly. Just deal with them the way I want it. Mess them up. Right now.
Boy, you no muju unu mati sia for.
Mama da for me awa get video game mama. Ada for me we so zuo.
Hello, agree to yes.
On master kono yari.
Thank you.
It's more get for that matter.
Mama, I beg agree to yes. We are just late. Come on, wait here. Here, baby, no there.
Ya get Facebook.
Iya gbe ma ya ma gbe mo te gbe ya ma gbe no dey bishop gazi again ya gbe mi yo apiko.
Emata,
Iya gbe mi ya apiko gero da o Nigeria.
E da dinora here bodyguard lele o se ve no do tell you we ve ya
ya. When I respect Nora when I respect the man na
okay no Nora. E no gyo okay ne ga ni pain no.
Okay, gonna wipe here. Money protect kaka boy. A joke, eh? The man they protect and either by
kaka
joke.
boy. Okay,
No, the man they protect and the man only. You know they let her move an inch. You know say.
I think the best for that girl. I say I did that city. Eh? Me, I forbid her.
Yeah, twist so. Yeah, twist.
I swear.
But when it short so call ere Nora we la wari party ni. You understand? So. Maybe he call her say, I beg you go come. I go come the party. Okay, come now, no shaky. Also another day.
Yeah, I think
because
so.
our mileage very no ya where or reke nuje or wavo am ekbebo.
Mame ere Nora ka mi egbe. Nyana ka do ere Nora na de kemeje. Ena we o itu we because my judge matter me say. You understand? I because just take me come and say, okay, mama, I don't you come away. So but I be say me you come back now. You understand? Now even say for be rape my way. I mean now I kwa le ma we pogi you we come. And I'll boy like there now. So as she come where she did from me far, very far. But the hub because the place big, the hub big well. As I hear say they don't make sure her name. Since my papa twins do MC there, I know they do MC. So just they use the name. Me I they say $, carry $, for hand. So now I just cross over, you know. I was say cross over to the other side. Now I cross over. As this she define where she wants to sit down. Me already, I don't already get her for mess anyway where I see her. You know, guy they want to settle. I must give her one slap or two. And I already made up my mind for that. Now I use finger come out her hair. Because she fall her hair. He said, So immediately she wants her to introduce my daughter. Say, my husband, I say, not trying. Not trying. He said, okay, go now. I not go, I can't dance. Because I inside her. And she just they come. No way. Why would they do anything there? So me now, I they say, but my eye, there's anytime where she take come out. Now 50-50. And I just say, just a waka. You know, get your follower. You know, get your follower, you're the center. That me to waka fast, me then. Now I use, I call my daughter, say, follow. I come put my phone for us. Okay, hold on. Because the place big, actually. Where she park her put to entry. If I now there for follow, I can't reach the main road. They call this girl where Mudia, what me no agbe me. When my Mudia, I don't know where we agbe. She be as you see me go land me slap. Or the way person can't use something come on here for your face. If not me, say you can't meet me, come on here. I go push you now. Or I go drag you come out. Normally. See now she says she won't beat me. Now make me go meet her and say, sister, I don't compete me.
Mama na match she no get level. You know say this girl too like. You know I see they talk about your daughter.
You not get strength, you not get level.
Ria not be better school. Even they from gymnasium go Ria. She me her daughter never reach 10 years. She life of there. This teacher say pikin don enter primary 5. Where they don't see pikin wey dey 9 years enter primary 5. You he want you the fast forward everything by fire by force.
And she wants to cover the birthright of my children. I don't
know.
No.
9 years pikin when pikin enter last year September. He said pikin don't enter primary 5. Now I say pikin wey dey 9 years. Whenever I will celebrate 10 years birthday, now I got to do now they enter primary 5. No. Now jealousy they worry and mama.
People they report her for school. You know go come and call tell you now and the daughter, the first daughter don't report her 2 times or 3 times for school. I never ever will.
Go watch the video. Mommy Trinity was so ashawa bashawe iri. We are not be the video who da.
Now let's talk for the game math. Not every time you the cause person, you not go face your own family problem. They do family problem.
Sister na the video.
Women no we wa bitua. Honore Jim ni amina ti abitua. Abitua yan wo na. By the grace of God, very soon you'll like see. Everybody know.
Go watch the video. Go mommy Joyous page. You'll see her there.
Okay, thank you. I dey follow that woman.
Mommy Joyous, you're
Mommy Joyous, you better go along here. Even have my way. Why not me on I may not be mommy twist.
A DNA test. I went on here. I'm married. Okay, I'm very non.
Mama, we see cause.
Me, I want ask question. No, make una not vex, fellow Nigeria. Me want ask question. I will say road that not snatch person husband. He not go no say he picking whether he picking one from inside kindergarten jump better primary school, from kindergarten jump better secondary school. See, rather you don't need to define you want to do comparison. Whether your picking dey gymnasium, he dey for Riashule. What is so you supposed to think? Make your own children still live, get healthy life. Make them not sick. Make God self give you the mama strength. Make your pikin reach 18 years. Because the age where mama teach children they so. Now every dream of every parents, because once your children don't reach 18 years, you could not go to fear say social one come for your children. Your children want to do this one. They are already our children. They are not already adults. When he say she not get anything to panic. Even though say she dey travel, go Nigeria, she dey travel, go anywhere, she will fit leave those children, they'll fit take care of themselves. See you will be road and your children still small. You not go think about how God go take give you that strength, that grace, because I will say you not snatch person husband. How you come they get panic attack, say person pikin dey actually, it not concern you. It not concern you. Your priority should be may your children, may you get that luck and the grace. The strength your children
Mama T pikin tell and say now because of you I do bossy good that woman of it.
Exactly. Now the joy of every mother, whether your pikin they go Riashule gymnasium, that one concern you. It not mean say your pikin go Riashule or gymnasium. Tomorrow go reach. Now the course where the pikin want choose for school. Now you go choose. Not be people be teacher. Not be people be oh, he born when a citizen. Mama, hotel where me for the work. Citizens say they work for there. Pure German for hotel where me they work. Why you
Mama T don't carry so
because
smart.
you don't snatch person your husband,
of
you
course,
want to jump from window for
Mama T pikin dey very sharp. You see now because of people like you.
I dey do bossy. You go fight away. You go back
where she gets say they
for where me they work. Citizens say they work for there. You don't mean
body go tell you.
with the citizens they do teacher, they do hotel attendance. They work for bar.
Most of this market where they here, not be German people they work for them. Yes, Mama T, you see why they greet you good evening, ma.
Citizens they work as
even greet you good evening, ma.
Say me I come greet you good evening, ma. That's where they make man. So I know
even greet you say good evening, ma.
No, I be not be citizens they call ticket.
My children, you know, not dispose anything.
Do me when I they worry me.
Anything concern my children, not the disposal, lie. Because I believe say any.
Brother, they mumu ourselves.
You know, it's the match grant.
One husband and wife, one family for UK. They are picking go river, go swim. The picking die at the age of 17 years.
You go use that league grant. Say single mother.
You never know how tomorrow won't be. You go out children. Brother, I pity you.
You go use that rob grant. You go use that rob grant.
Even your daughter come they tell her say, who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? Who do you think you're talking to? Ah, Jesus, I'm blushing.
If you still where she they use Dutch, all those Dutch where they bar there, all of them come out to road and not come talk. That play the game video.
Make I just talk my mind there, not because of maybe I love Mommy T or because of I don't know Mama T before. Now this road that cry, everybody was curious. We were curious, say, who be this person? Now not that make me come know Mama T. We don't know her before. So how we say she be person will be say she was focusing on her life, on the backwardness and marriage where she did. Nobody all this thing now she bring her come for herself. Because Mama T, nobody even know her. I was not following her. Now she carried the fans where Mama T get. Now she give Mama T the fans. The love where Mama T get now she give Mama T the love. You see her? So anybody where you know say you there for road and shoe, it's not healthy. just they do your thing. Don't they feel intimidated, especially when the woman don't marry. I will say Mama T never marry now. I can say okay, 5 or 10%, which I cannot even be that kind of person. Say maybe the man he else never move on, he never marry. This one now, the mama don't marry. She don't live her own life. So why stressing yourself, your mental health? Because you are just stressing yourself for nothing.
Queen, you know here for the video when it say, you know here for the video when it does now, yes, husband marry. Who ask you question?
Mama T is not going back to the man, even though she's single, because the marriage is been long dead.
God forbid.
She's not going back. So, brother, why you want to buy before your time? Why are you buying yourself?
May don't let me see
Yes, husband,
not be like you. Not be Toto Dike don't leave churchy for 10 years. At the end of the day, she don't move on. At the end, churchy wife now they come out for internet. They cry now.
Baggages, I reject it. Every bag of
baggages.
baggages.
When you want settle for less, you have to look very well. Una see Toto Dike ona. Now so the wife now they come out for internet. Now so this one. Cry. Why are they like that? Why people when now go marry my way don't fair marry before? I don't know. God forbid.
Notice with me past that. Mama T daughter part.
What?
Now that Mama T daughter part with me past. Who do you think you are? If people like
you when you know say the man get children
come
before, always think and say one day the man go visit his children. So you should think that first. Not all they think about today. Think
that
about
one they
tomorrow.
ask her, who do you think
Mama,
you are?
No,
when I met you
but when you reach her turn, she's born 5.
Queen, now why is this say no get come the open Mama T tonight? Come the carry video, they tell you want come fight now. Come fight now.
Rather just take advantage. Rather take advantage because Mama T is a very cool, calm person. If na person like Mama Joyous or me where they talk, they're not born you where. Ayawe as Zizobo no. Hey, Ayawe Zizobo. Maybe na your remnant, your bone I don't go they pick for those being. Waiting. Now person send you message. You come Europe, or your mate go come Europe.
This,
you never feel bad part for yourself, never feel achieve anything.
They say why you they fight. Now why now fight me if I say the girl say if he see her for party or anywhere she go beat her. Now me she go meet her say come beat me sister.
My lady, so not be your comment you go dey read.
She said she go beat me.
Not be your comment you na go dey read though. Me I not the look comment oh.
I want make she
comment when I dey see sis. Not the mind there, not the mind there. They not look comment.
No, I want make she beat me. If she beat me, go there book.
Mona wait. Why mommy 3D picking head be like I am my head of horror?
Me I don't know.
That's why the children not too balanced, but not inside their bag.
See the children we know the shepherd the dem bushmeat. Let's concentrate on the reggae. May we concentrate on the blues. Mama, we are proud of you. At least everybody body don't they hurt like it your be like say you yourself maybe you be weak person. We the adult women, we are not born to be weak. But God will use us.
Weak,
God will use us to see disgrace.
I not be weak person, oh.
God use us to take disgrace because our own done too much.
Mommy, the girl like say no get go that party. Oh Jesus, by now.
Mama, break me up. I'm coming.
That mat for don't swell up.
God bless all of una. Una way support Mama T. God go bless una. Una own no go spoil. God go give una na own husband, not be abandon project. Waiting they don't throw away speed, waiting they throw away for those be.
Mama, God go give una this person, block this Europe Nigeria TV. You say you are
so that una not go they panic.
That video too sweet to me. Mama, you too much.
Good evening, my sister. God
Mama, you too much. Now this video one more see since then you don't do
exactly.
You too much.
If
you never see the video, go watch that for my page. I your poster full everywhere for my page. Even this thing, everywhere. May the cars they go and make shame that woman.
Panic attack.
May the team may shame. I fear not let her come video since.
Just things for click on the yellow basket. They don't.
May na go my page go watch the video.
Justice for a pardon.
Una the serious of mind for Mama T. Rhoda, abeg may you wear shoulder parts.
Oh, too much.
Justice for a pardon.
Wear shoulder Rhoda. Serious of mind now.
The thing show. I no fit happy as I see the video. He too dey make mad. He wan come talk. He say, Mama T, Mama T, you reach to born me, you reach to born you care.
Now let that one me I get.
You reach to born you now you go carry person husband.
Nothing sweet.
Wait, so you reach to born now you go carry.
And so she talk for the video. Go watch the video, you see her. He say, you reach to born me.
As a yo, iwa yari e
Laugh another pikin wey get 17 years wey get belle.
Mi oko yen na ya ona do gbe sugar daddy mi.
No, you reach to born you go snatch person husband.
No, na my own platform now for the course.
Una remember say she don't bring one girl come and say na her husband first daughter. Thank you so much for your gifts. You know she talk and say my husband first daughter, I'm doing her hair. So like the girl wey dey do here na one be 2 yesterday.
Mama, that video pain me. Now that video, now me contest to the do video for Rhoda. I was never doing video concerning her before. When she do that video is so in disrespect. That video is so disrespectful. You won't come by the man first children. That video, now abomination video.
All the people where they support it, they don't talk about that one.
If I go carry that Rhoda go kill goat for that video where she do.
Now your husband first daughter, you won't cover my children birthright, right?
He say your husband no even get first. He say na him born first pikin for your husband.
Go carry
the thing they confuse me. Even the thing they confuse everybody. Rhoda born the first pikin
for my hand.
Checks for escaping beating yesterday.
Rhoda suffer for my hand.
Mama, you still beat her because he no fit talk. He just the shift, they go back, they talk unnecessary talk we're not supposed to talk.
He dey run.
Me and Betty say I see you go, you rush you because they talk for this. He no fit talk anything. I bet Mona share the video, make go reach Tunubu. Mona tell her say, go up, what they make match for TikTok. He no fit do anything. Mona share the video, make go reach Tunubu. Mona go watch the video.
You go 5 children. Rhoda.
She was not even ashamed of herself. Now her husband married. Rhoda, don't disgrace her entire family. You don't introduce yourself to witches and wizards. Now her husband, Rhoda, you supposed to go jump for 5,000 story building.
So that made the man for not pay for the children. I tell you what. Only as your useless husband go build. Now only Nigeria go build that house. If your husband build that for a year. All the money where government pay for the first children. But that ass that they will collect, take everything. You don't know.
Mama, if not be safe, I'm not gonna our papa. You get lucky say, oh, you by now. For that,
Mama, they collect your own tithes. They collect your child benefits. Anybody will come, they collect them.
If you don't see the video, now you go fish. Shame my disgrace.
They don't get passport. They for that they get mad. As far as
they get passport,
they tell you say now people like you now they do bossing for God.
No game. They are part of Figh get passport.
Get passport. As far as they get you go for that one come out. Say if your husband they work since how many years now? He don't get passport. Debt.
You don't fit.
That debt, he go explain, no evidence.
Oh yeah.
That video na shame at disgrace. It too they get mad for social. I want to explain for you fast now.
Mona, wait. Mona, look at now. Not be single more than one beat. Mommy Tiri now the husband. Mommy Tiri now suppose that they cry now.
Now she want to defend herself for that video. Now you go see and I go come see lie. You go say I no want fight.
You know what?
Mama, no worry. We are equal to the task.
Now Mumu go believe
her to cover up her shame and disgrace. But you see this one, this photo where you come out. So this one go reach us enjoy ourselves for this.
We go reach us say me I can't do video for here just now. Mo can't give her black and blue.
If she really ready for fight, why did nobody hold her once?
Mama, I not go fit fight when you carry click on the yellow basket wig for head.
Rhoda way husband sister deny for live video.
You see this for most of the way they make mad for social media. If they see you on a regular, they not feel make mad too. That's what they feel like wish.
You not get part of the metro.
No, when she got the laugh that girl wey get belle for 17 years. How she take come up for Nigeria? I tell you,
you need to born you 17 years. He better pass Rhoda 1 million times.
He said he reached to born. You can't even greet Mama T.
Video for Joyous TV. Now go see when they greet good evening, ma. Good evening, ma.
You need to burn you now. You they make math. They talk.
Now if I say cast itself for the party, say na yes of mama.
You go punish your mama.
Ask me or ask her.
No, sir. Me and answer question. Where they run the go?
Now question the judge now. Husband slasher.
What is your mind? He said, have we met? No, we have not met.
I say, have we known before?
Have we met? Do I know you?
The English choke. English they cry. English now water.
Everything where this girl like, now they say no good. When he get 3 children, that they say people go out they bomb. They go out they bomb for Jamie because of benefit. He never to tell now she born so. When he get one time, whether na school they go, they call later give her transfer for a motor. Like say, he said they know they work, she they go work, now work if they go. So people no man work for Dutchland. Since then, and I TikTok for the CIV day and night too. We go come out.
If you see person where they complain like that, don't say that they write for themselves.
I want driving license. Now Poland, don't be she get them. If I want through with them, very easy. I will cast and small.
You see her?
That driving license where she get now Poland.
Mommy Tiridi, they short of blood. The face don't they for no reason. Mommy Tiridi need to go hospital. Make they give am blood.
That video, I share and follow everywhere. I don't want make the video make cast her. He shame they share everybody. As he get matric, she not fit beat fly.
Can you imagine?
He go talk for social media for morning till night. Mona share the video. Who never see her, make go my page, go watch her. You will see shame at this.
Mommy Tiridi, don't they fair for face, so don't they short of blood, not they chop vegetable again.
See her here. See her, shame at this. He go stay for far place. Why are you running? Wait now, you're for not running.
She even supposed make the recommend for road.
Last year, not get the coppers with the conjoiner.
Guy,
You're not get your
See, my body of the hotel, I said, I didn't get my time. They no see when you do now in the money and
yeah, papa, no get caught on bossa. Got a job.
I let me out, but no gonna is one in Mutia. Husband snatcher, no.
You hear what my daughter has? Do you know
who are you even talking to? Who are you even talking to?
Who are you talking to? Do you know what Abitua is? What Abitua is? Do you know what Abitua is? You not talk, oh. When my daughter come on for English, can't they speak Dutch? Brother Yokawa. Brother Wakba. Me I read brother Yokawa.
Akwa me I like Belazia.
Why Latin wa ko ke pa yan ware. Your let I don't want follow and do saga for TikTok.
Obi ya Latin obi. One lele we saga yi. Ozuo.
You may block him, I beg me no. Me I get what I do with my time. This one you don't get work. A passport in here, and I can have passport forever. Osanori will not be only that 30,000. Since 30,000 come, we never collect money. 4 years don't join her. We don't they collect since then and not be only 30,000.
Roger they talk now. He said they not they feed they chop 2 square meal. He said Christian they pay a debt every month. Oh,
click on the yellow basket, go up there.
Guys, click on the yellow basket. Follow my TikTok shop. You were the hashtag me never on live video where I was so the comment section why are you hashtagging me?
Road that not they bleach, road that not get blood again for body God. Europe, Nigeria TV. Road that is that you.
God bless
you. We say single mother that they give their children hamburger when they carry they go school and this. He say na food. Now children supposed to they carry they go school. Children when drink milk or even when they carry food follow the they craze. He said why children go carry hamburger? Say that make them know the no book. Because here not the letter they buy hamburger. Or this thing best for his children. He said they carry say children
they don't meet 1 and 11 years.
Now, boy, the old children now.
Who rather they little children for the go party?
You carry heavy food, they go school. White children go they carry heavy food, they go school. They're supposed to they carry fruit, all these things because they rich as they go eat. White children not go eat better food. Even people will eat their back on Nigeria. They don't know book.
Make una know your band roader for party. Una know say roader don't know how to cook for us. He don't know how to cook jollof rice. So now only that party she for see the eat party rice.
For one party to another road,
she not sabi cook egwale. Wala go. Ave party no have a party rice because egwale.
Una know say before, but they never cast and say. You know say before we never cast and they say na community monitor they go bejo. Since when they cast and say no be money, she did go bejo. Una don't say
go good evening.
You know go again. Good evening, my sister.
Person when she go King Esther party now, so she dey eat bone like person we never eat for 1,000 years. Oh yeah, na money and family now. All I got you go loco. Nah, I don't see. I don't suffer. Jollof rice where we dey cook on a daily basis. On a daily basis.
Mama, good evening. Even though you not bitter.
Good evening.
I don't know why you just do this. You try.
Rhoda, no, she not sabi cook. Mona dey let her go party.
I'm making not be Rhoda.
Mama, you don't let it pass.
Prince, your side the echo, mute your side to the echo, come down when you come up.
I'm on that bill, okay, roll away. Look about him, maybe
go. I say, oh God. Now, this is the way they get my potato with this.
Princess, you the echo, everybody here.
I want to let me go.
You where you defend moderator, how many money gone? And baby lion you don't drop since. Mama, I'm going by moderator. By moderator. I am an answer when he has so by me. He have the never when he had you over. I'm by moderator. Why will you video? He has so. He has the platform in me. He has even the answer.
I drop person. I bet come down.
Princess Cynthia,
Mama, where are you here? Oh, Princess Cynthia, mama supporter. Maybe she don't know how to read.
I know. Rhoda's making
Rhoda not get blood again. Rhoda they
like a moderator.
Rhoda they bleach. Rhoda don't go the bell. The whole supplement when they click on the yellow basket. Rhoda don't they fair.
Rhoda's making Holy Ghost fire.
Moderator. Now worry, come and say I can collect moderator.
Rhoda don't go bell the whole supplement when they talk shop. Rhoda don't they drink everything. Don't they fair.
God bless you. Thank you for the support.
Una no fit do me anything. I don't go come back. I don't say yesterday. Oh, video na magba. You not go come back for this one. This one, you know, go come back.
Mama, I like what you do not be single mother. That kind of, you not go fixing a single mother. No go back.
Oh, Poki Akberota, oh, fellow Nigeria. That day for ambulance, yeah, mortuary. Who they find moderator now?
Europe, Nigeria TV na
even though say mama mommy joyous or person
Europe, Nigeria TV na Rhoda fake account na be God. Rhoda fake account beat Europe, Nigeria TV. Rhoda, is that you?
Honey, why are you crying?
Europe, Nigeria TV, may you not cry again. Not be weak, God, brother.
My fellow Nigeria, have we met before?
Not be weak, God, brother.
Do I know you?
No.
Have we met before? Do I know you?
No, if not,
go
no
party,
one
go
that you weak party,
Like party rice, Roda go learn how to cook. Like you say party be Roda. Go learn how to cook. God bless you, Sonia. God bless you. Mona follow Mama. All Queen lovers, Mona follow Mama. God go bless you now for the support.
Mama
Thank you
Titi,
very
you
much,
dey your
my
back,
love.
Mama Titi. Ovela Roda go Ovela Egbe.
Roda go and learn how to cook jollof rice in Usungu, Roda.
Who asked you whether na yes husband you marry? Who asked you?
She not
say, Mama. Mama, it's not everything I don't do now.
Exactly at the end of the
person when you dey call for social media, now you dey call good evening, ma. No good boy.
Question.
Judge got no in the court. You are Zeboa.
Do I know you?
Mona wait, Mama Titi. Click on the yellow basket, not fit bear necklace, maple for neck.
No.
Necklace.
Wait, Nyoka we good evening, ma.
God bless you now. Thank you for the
Now if I
support.
say
The Lord
good
is so
evening, ma,
massive.
now you
Thank
consider
you,
say, do I
everyone.
know
God
you?
bless
Have I met you?
Have I met you? That
Have I
person
met you?
that one, no, they don't fair whole loss pass. So that was the second one where I can't wait. She not can come inside. Then me, I can't waste more. Me not be say I can't distract you.
Europe, Nigeria TV, Roda, Outmas National, you be that I know you. Mama Titi don't block your real account.
Okay, why I posted the video.
This woman, Sagara, now people they say, who be this woman? May I go look for her?
Why you dey protect her? Why you dey protect her? You no get what teaching here. You know you me wetin me can be. You no get what here.
Madipo, now respect your husband go kill you. Your husband tell you say now they respect her for us. Make her punish you. Roda fake account.
You dey respect your husband, Roda. Yeah, we respect that from when I work 24 hours to the party.
Mama, Roda fake account there. I be Nigeria Europe TV. Roda, is that you? Come outside and show yourself.
No, she dey pay. Tomorrow, she dey arrange your teaching. One quarter, tell you fans.
You not going to want to talk. If it's all, we'll show this video. The main video, I think she record past me. That
the video there everywhere already. They don't need to show her. The video there everywhere.
No, you know, say she fit go change that for you.
The reason why Roda think they get match. The reason why they get match.
Sonia, thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
Now because of that, the night cost time. If that don't carry enter bed now, you go tell her say my girlfriend, don't worry. I dey. That's my girlfriend now. My boyfriend the be. Nazaki they swear sort of for us.
The patient
follow me.
Patients when we get for years.
Because Mama let me get chance the online video every time. That infinity.
Thank you so much.
Mama, you still follow Mercy back.
Mommy T, you do well. As you can't relieve our stress more.
Thank you so much.
Mama T, I video. My way, Mama T, I live video. You really try, where you see can open live video today. I'm so happy.
I'm
so happy.
Me, I get many work where they do for her. I get many plan where I get.
Thank you, Sonia. Sonia, thank you. God bless you. You guys are amazing. Thank you, Sonia.
Now you go on open because
I bring you up. Okay, let me see. There's the space.
Europe, Nigeria TV fake account. Now Roda be that. Oh, Mama don't block Roda. Roda don't come with fake account.
Roda Mavio.
No, there is a Vanya mother for the West. No evidence.
I don't see your request again.
It is so. I have a boyfriend that was solo with TikToki.
I don't single mother when they hear Mama. Now, Mona they send gift. Mona they send gift. Not because they shout. Say you try. Mona they pack gifts. They come.
Mona they show. Thank you, my sister. Thank you. These are our fans. You they try. God bless you as you they have the platform.
Thank you.
Mama need them. Mona support.
Europe Nigeria TV, Rhoda, show yourself. Don't be a spirit in a fake account. Rhoda, come and say and show yourself. Who is you?
When they using direct, they all they measure and then now say, what is up? What did they happen? Now, Mommy Joyous, like one live video, I can't see Mommy Joyous they talk for. They not be she on the live video. Now I call they say, what did happen? Here they big baby your own. Now I can't no say reggae show yesterday. Nah, Mama, you try.
My husband not dead there. That thing comes with me. If let's say my husband dead, I will not get chance. When I not
they restrict person for so many things.
So much, Sonia. One leg, wow, the man wrote that breaking a marriage. Why I come meeting the marriage? Why we?
Yeah, Mama, yeah. Man, I almost got Papa now.
Now that thing she wants. You understand? And she they look for where she want for scatter everything that has to do with me, but I not give her that chance.
Exactly.
No, my husband not follow me. Are you happy? Because if my husband follow me, thank you so much.
So you don't big pass Rhoda. You don't big pass Rhoda. Rhoda self too small for where you dey.
I see your see do after you see buffon. Now when she come carry a bad man, take come again.
Mommy, as you don't beat her, so you see be like say you give her. Who very you gonna know ya?
Who very you gonna know ya?
Beat her, what?
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no ya gbe, your my gbe.
Where say we get any man, Mama?
Barry J, where accuse Rhoda? Rhoda not bring DNA test come out. Rhoda not DNA test.
He accused her.
Which even the old juju, you don't see the swear when she
go
to
the juju.
Who they talk say we go marry? You marry you
marry for TikTok.
Marry go where?
Thank you so much, Sonia. Thank you so much.
Mama Titi, you don't do what you will. Like leave the rest for us. We are going to deal with that
TikTok.
No,
if everybody marry, who will call they do saga for TikTok? Man, I marry Baba now.
If everybody marry. For Jamie, most women need to do DNA test. Why first speaking not they resemble their papa? Why?
Una no say single mother na content na. When I be single mother, maybe we oye. All dey no da, all je no je.
Social media.
All dey no da, je no je. No that say no dey pay us, they call us single mother. Why go pay us? When you go the mamula,
I know if they media, they live video for TikTok.
When you go the mamula, go the money agba.
I must be road. I have a funny. I know what I want to. Thank you, Sonia. Thank you for your gift. For TikTok, I know if you
no, man, I don't know.
God bless you. Thank you for the love. Mona follow Queen Love. Mana wole
TikTok baby they craze. Why my voice no real? My voice want to be. I resemble Rhoda for your eye, the mat.
God bless you, fine queen. Not my day. When a back account, marriage is good. Okay, do you guys should not get me wrong, but una people where they say she go mother, una not know it.
Queen Love, I don't follow you.
70% of people when don't fair do they don't get me children for us. So don't keep their children there for us. Unfortunate to single.
Who follow me?
For my own case,
don't follow me
when they call single mother.
What be your name?
I don't fair pass that journey. I know how difficult and hard it is.
What be your name?
Single mother, it's not possible. Even though you be whatsoever,
who say follow me?
Mama, you try. Mama, you try. Single mother, they tell you my hair. Why Rhoda they tell click on the yellow basket?
When we say we carry nyash digbi. What's that? Ma when we select the where we carry nyash.
Like over ye guaga.
Me where we do nyash, we press digbi.
I feel pity.
She said we will carry big belly, but where Mommy Joyous bring her mama picture yesterday, mama big belly make. Mama belly make
where Rhoda gets ulcer. She gets stomach ulcer. Where she the belly want to come out, body want to come out. Not reduce her. She go fat, she go reduce.
Hey, she call with the bleach.
She gets stomach ulcer.
Because it's the fair. Because it's fair for different supplements.
I go kill her.
Go, Rhoda get short of blood. You need to go hospital. May they donate for him.
Oh, sorrow.
She gets to my
no say it's first.
No, man, they say
no go come out again.
I'm
Calculation.
modelo
As the young pay for more time that calculation go your full every year.
You know, say get the kind sleep where you go sleep. You know, say you dey work on your feet, but this one you may like, yeah, you may tire. No, me say she fat, but she just tired.
If you see that way, they 45 years though. That girl.
If you see person where they tired, you go know
na do siran.
Mama,
see you there. Mama, see you there. If that girl start, you start.
Papa, I not get already right and saying they call later. One can talk about the fight of yesterday. Make talk am.
I bet I talk am. I don't call you. You not pick. He said, I tell her, make she not bring the video. If she bring the video,
that right time come out for you.
Mama, just not say me you carry and come up in space.
That right time.
I tell her if she carry and come out, I'll come out for her.
I see Zaddy when resemble zombie. Zaddy see they talk. Person when they UK, when not they okay.
Not be UK.
Holland for Aduro camp.
Aduro camp.
Zaddy they stay for Holland for one Aduro camp. AJ UK ni Zaddy. Only other na
like. I see for where they saga me. Like all those ones who sit down there. Now Europe they
Love. Make I introduce Bobby Love to now. Bobby
Love
na
Europe
let me talk
about. Mama, see outfit when you wear today. God, your outfit looks so good.
For now, two people now they cause mommy T enemy, and those cause God don't return her to Rhoda. I beg, Mona let me talk. Mona give me 1 minute.
Okay.
That the two idiots, they be Rhoda boyfriend. Where Rhoda tell they do camera down if he useless baby papa don't come up for house. One Zaddy, he they stay for Aduro camp for Holland. Then the second one Bobby Love. That one they use a tuke deporter come up for Germany because he they beat the baby mama. That one he don't spend 27 years for abroad. Bobby Love he not get front, he not get back. Only the legend we understand. And he not finish for there. Bobby Love. The only help where single mother dey for her, that they pass on €20, €50, where it they pay for a cantina where they stay for Belgium. Now one kokobiri, now he give Bobby Love cantina garage where they sleep for Belgium. He not get house, he not get front. The Bobby Love, he they eat under single mother. That's why not they use King Guest started they play. Any single mother where you be say you get driver license, you will say they lie. Rhoda go die for your eye. Any single mother where you get driver license, now Bobby go enter their DM. He go make friends with them. When they tell they carry Bobby, they cross border. If Bobby Love see where they do party for France, for Marseille, he go beg a single mother make they carry and cross border. Bobby Love not get front and back. Now understand what I mean. Bobby Love, if you see where they do party for Germany, you go back single mother, they'll carry and lock her for boots. Carry and take cross border. 5 children, 4 papa. If I lie, Ogun Operoda, Iga Tori. Zaddy Love, they stay for Aduro camp for Holland. Iga Tori. So how that kind of person walk out and they talk to our gallant mama. A mama when you see, I got me no guanoma. All those all those two people, the lazy youths. Zaddy me popular via me camera down Roda. Ne boya gberoda o. Our not team all give a comment section go on Roda juwa o.
Exactly so you better believe goats. Very ugly.
Roda not be single mother say me not get breast, me not get nyash. Cooking on the TikTok in New area a talking.
Oh, no want to marriage for Europe. One another carry be a girl.
Because
one another carry people, one another invite people.
They swear for Roda. They swear for Roda. A Roda gonga bue. Na my platform I go this go you finish.
Roda they say yours madam get tattered. Yours madam hold past Roda. Roda and yours ma be like father and daughter.
Pikin wey single mother train, they not be pikin. But na mama and papa na born you. Na train you abi. But look at your life. Look at your life.
when Mama T come go carry matter, give a matter. Okay, Christian, come talk your own part. He said that they laugh and say he gets more ikia. Me bunny there. He said that they laugh and say he gets more ikia. I can a grown-up man. Where I mean, wherever you kia. He said me they talk to this woman. Oh, if they use the ikia to the laugh. Not being able to 5 children. Christian, they ask you question. Here no where woman be kia. Not be that the way that they praise you or Dodome or my husband. A Christian now Christian Matt, na me for years say Christian saying girl of ye kia.
That's what talking.
Yes, now no say that don't not put you down. He was record them.
Let me fear not let them go do DNA.
Let them beg you, may you know they use the Ekia laugh away.
Not let them go do DNA.
Christian.
Fear not let them go do DNA.
Because
if they do DNA document when they get Jamie go collect them because not be the better picking.
Oyekia, Eroda stop gazing. That a puppy love. Avere any diagbon do love ye ke. Or there where na the Bobby love na they take they do camera down road that way udo gu bome. I mute my side mama.
Rhoda not get choice again no. Rhoda not get choice. Me Rhoda go to DNA. Barry J the way for her. Barry J the way for DNA. Oh Rhoda go and do DNA. We see the way for you. That one and number 1.
Coming for the other.
Now, yes, husband, now marry. Who ask you questions? How you by yourself disgrace yourself? Wow.
You say for 12 years, woman don't want to move on. Now that we ask you, come fight. You say 12 years. No, we not after that one again. Now, what you talk? Not be too put.
Fellow Nigeria, they say
if you say you're bitter,
they say Zaddy. One married woman slap Zaddy for old land. For old land for there, they say one married woman slap Zaddy. Now so they go the area follow person wife.
That don't go here. Even when I went person they call me. That is that the don't call Germany? For where?
Not before Germany for old land. Married woman slap Zaddy for old land. Ija, the matter there is just social media now. The woman slap.
You got the video? I present that for me. Ijo Eroda.
E camera down we Zaddy we Bobby Lovey. Ne Eroda ya we camera down we WhatsApp with ya.
Awa epa no get one saga Zaddy that is Zaddy go the beg. He want
Eroda
he go the beg and no give me no sagaram.
Jesus.
Rhoda not a big cook fried rice and jollof rice so I beg.
No, they even they talk so.
Rhoda ele jollof rice they also another party near because
until we dey hear person call you say wetin happen me I not hear.
So Rhoda Mama, they just call me so they says that in a boyfriend say he rent hotel. He come Germany we said last week.
Yes now.
Juju paper loading. Jonathan Juju paper the load.
Jesus.
You start your fat battle that
don't weak now. Mama, thank God say you leave the man. No, thank God say you leave the man.
3 children.
Thank God. One person. Christian a person.
Rhoda have 5 children. Only the 2 is napping.
Well, don't pretend you know. They go send you Juju paper. They go send you Juju paper. Not that there.
Hello Nigeria. Rhoda get 5 children. Now the 2 is napping. Be the husband oh the many things in Ghana boss ya we ati no pa boss Uruguay Ghana Uruguay Senegal via Uruguay ne boya gbe mo igbe Bobby love.
I don't hear that before. They say the first pikin not be pikin. I don't hear that. So that truth.
Na tiri DNA na ero that they carry the waka tiri
that one
DNA
na le DNA talk na the one when you talk na say na hotel get ready go give you Juju paper.
Oh, God, but don't you when they
this just way gets more for so he's laugh kill me.
Una
look.
Oh God, but don't that push up by.
They try to for TikTok. A native doctor on like native doctor here. Ukuru erime o my like
erime native doctor.
My papa
erime native doctor no kwa no gbe o.
Ni mi aya ve bo TikTok me ya ve ukuru ogera me. Ogun on Beroda.
Why they give juju paper to others?
Mama
Titi, they fear you. Roda, they fear you. Roda, they fear you.
When we get many evidence, even your husband evidence, why try? Your husband not know my uncle.
I tell you.
Social media na more. The man not get papa.
Why Roda they run go front? Why not they follow? Why Roda they run go front? Roda no video. Now why Roda say no get that they owe you? Roda come carry phone.
Anybody in the road that anybody in the road that
because this is my daughter the video. Now she come the video say you won't beat me at first more than 5-10 minutes. You know video. The video long but my daughter quick cut time. I pray me no get talk to because
fellow Nigeria man don't vex. I forget one thing. Iya we roda ije deva roka o. Iye roda deva roka la o gba ko de onu na ba ite wa mia. Una giko egbuko.
Mama, you were like ka one wetin akuje ku yen. Iya wetin akuje ku e.
Mama, if you want to hear Wire Mommy Joyous International TV.
Iyawe eroda
Iyawe no say any jana wu. Iyawe no say any jana wu.
With the missing, you know the English now. TikTok will give petty restriction. That's why with the missing we Bini. When I not verse. They say Roda Mama for which. They say they confess Roda Mama for which. And the mama they carry saw. I don't use English talker.
Mama said that what do you call that? Mama go pull leg for our side. Go, you go do a way for another man.
Jesus, Mama, they put allegedly. I know they are.
Roda papa no last na. You were Roda matter. 40-something years Roda ya fina. Ije na yoga ya bere Roda. God go bless you. Abi don't forget that one. Now he make Roda papa no last.
Why is it wrong?
Adultery Roda. Oh, visionary adultery.
I don't make go come me.
Mama, they talk and I say they were there. I beg, Mama, they put allegedly. I'm not there.
Oh, you better than allegedly.
Even if I tell there no level. What in the tell them mama uncle? No level.
Allegedly.
Okay, allegedly. Everybody
so that one allegedly that senoro ije mete o yan we je mete mommy Joyous supposed to na ije mete.
May you go give your pikin food though. Who they cry? Go give pikin food. It will never matter.
The social media na problem oh.
But Mama, they call the man for live video just now. The man saying I like the last thing not can go any court.
Ushma.
The useless your ex-husband. They call for live video. Say I like the last thing not can go any court. They call for one live video.
He go tell you now say he go court for desiccation. He go court not make her
just. They call for live video just now. They lie say not can go any court.
Go court, me I go lie. What you concern their court? My own to sign no. Go to court where go. Children court for desiccation. I go.
So why they lie? What
they call this area?
No need to say lie, not lie. Now I know. So now I know where they carry and go. You expect say he go talk true before.
Now Dukendorf court.
Now he talk true.
You go for August. That was 4 years ago, 3 years ago, my sister. I know they follow and go court. My own, they'll bring me paper as a mother. They know they stress me. I don't get stress. I don't get any stress. So I don't get stress at all. Just for me to sign yes or no. Yeah, I like it. Yes or no. Once I don't say yes or no, I'll go put down for letter post. Letter box for them. Finish. Now then, why you not go court? You don't know saying go court. Me now the waiter. Me and one me she be in touch me go like get time for police station. Police ask me, I tell the yes, I won't go know the kind like where I lie now. I won't go defend myself. Epa not continue case. Because you know saying be woman trafficking. Epa, your case dey my hand. You know go fair.
useless a part did the live video, they swear not be your own children, and the road that children.
You go cut for do kind of
why a part go there as the little children road that go carry click on the yellow basket and go party up and down.
That useless when they call Zaddy, say Zaddy, they go party. Leave your children for you when you go party every day. That useless Zaddy will say
a part they for big party.
You go come tell and I say you go cut before.
Road that don't talk man of the arts. Now road that night is 99 be the breadwinner of that.
You got to say go cut before. You not go talk now, but you go cut. You go. Ooh, thank you.
Now good evening.
Give me money, gone.
I'm a queen love. I greet you.
Away.
Maggie, I love you. Mommy Titi, where Maggie, I love you.
Thank you so much, Mama T.
We love you. The love is massive.
I love you, Mama.
Where?
The love is massive.
You too fine. That is why. See Rhoda, 5 children under how many years? 5 children.
Thank you. This video, man. This video.
See, Mama, where you don't get picky where they 18 years. If I pass person where they 30 years,
I tell you.
What a shame, Rhoda. What a shame. What a shame.
Click on yellow basket.
Thank you.
Even Rhoda the bad pants for TikTok shop. Rhoda the bad pants for TikTok shop for fellow Nigerians.
I bet they watch you that follow the platform. Well, I
wait, so una go suffer o when a ipo enya even one na una suffer sagara me.
I can't be selfish waiting. I want me Rhoda can't give me the paper. Rhoda can't give me the paper.
Before you know, I can't cite click on the yellow basket now. So poor the way now. I just talk more. I don't know say the oko go to come. Rhoda, we're working now. We're working now. We're party. They don't be out.
Oh yeah,
you are.
Oh
yeah, you are.
Hey, don't those people wait their platform so does the support they swear for themselves. So the day when the thing goes set, nobody go there with you there that day.
Why Rhoda go the bad pants for
TikTok shop? If not say no gear can't there that yesterday now. The whole mama they protect you. What do you for talk? They never answer questions. Say, "I yes, husband, I'm married." So,
why would the bad pants for TikTok shop?
Oh, we worry.
Oriane Hoelo.
What am I saying? Around that body of you. What I can go.
Oh, you ask for the Rhoda go the bad pants for TikTok shop.
Rhoda. Elimie fan John will keep be worry. But kitchen na we me. Party re na no we da jo.
Kitchen na we.
But kitchen na we me Rhoda. Ugbo mu he.
And click on the yellow basket. Okay, you don't click. Now you can't even make us know. I know even know before. Now you know see let and get peace. Since you dey waka dey go, you even come put in battle back in the suje.
Rhoda that the bad pants for TikTok shop.
That bonny bata. You are not me on there. Click on the yellow basket.
Now click on the yellow
basket. Grace. Rhoda that the bad pants for TikTok shop pants. That's the bad pants.
Wait, make your sister make this sister talk. Answer where for see the shoe.
No, this my sister. They provoke me. Ibata pakene suje. You were that me only bata need that. Click on the yellow basket. Where I'm not that big.
Pretty Joyce, you know go better for you. Rhoda fake account. Is that you? Show yourself.
Where I'm not there. Me I know the comment section. I want for you.
I look at this level.
No, they don't this comment section.
You call it. The leg is breaking now. We're around. Manage TikTok shop. We're changing my you want kilos. You don't look at
no, they look comment section. Don't buy a phone here.
Wait, do not look your hands.
That no why
good evening, Mama. Where's this? Speaking Sha, Mama. Mama, speaking Sha.
No. This thing is they are on any record.
We don't hear. We not greet. We love you.
Pretty Joyce now make me come. Or did this Pretty Joyce? Who sent you?
Not support you.
They other platform that they swear for their children. Which kind of nonsense be that one?
They swear for those ones, not
if
them.
If you guys want to talk the matter, deliberate on the issue.
Grace, wait, get what I want talk. Grace, wait, get what I want talk. If you look people when they attack Rhoda now, they not be single mother, so now married women they attack our women.
The way they first sleep out, they don't even get sense. Women wey don't go for another man.
I beg Mama Joy, love, talk to her well, speak that issue, may hear her well, even though you
they don't get sense.
Oh yeah, let me go. When I say let me go,
I bet speaking and that
yellow basket. Oh, I don't
the sweets.
I beg you worry okutwe fan John bia medosha worry ewunu were ewu ma were ewunu obody ba e worry obody
right
na me jemi na you dey
Rhoda government got the saga DJ yesterday. Rhoda got the saga DJ when they carry for the party. They profile. Yes,
he post video.
Yes, he post video.
DJ,
what did DJ do?
He said the music don't off. Speaker don't spoil. It be like say one speaker don't spoil. I say where
did they dance? He get waist. Which waist they dance? Are you tired? What did they dance with the leg? Let me look at Saga DJ stuff.
No, this thing, no, Rhoda. Me, I tell Rhoda say enter house. Every time, if the open platform they talking about, I always say message to her say enter house. Okay, then they do party. You know say you don't cause a quote for grant.
Problem will be going.
You not supposed to go. You also free stay house first. Make everything calm. Because you dey trauma, you don't suppose trauma for. Na we kawa. Ukwane bata na dabi pa kene sujoworam. Na we kawa. Na my real bag. I dey use fake account.
Only bata ni only bata ni only mogiewo.
Na pretty Joyce. Na they always.
Mama Twiso. Yeah, Twisi, and then one miola will get video bata ni ya to be saga.
I don't too focus on
justice for Ibata.
I beg, leave on.
You know, say me, I the pity
justice for Ibata.
If like that she talk here, she stand there, say she no make mouth. I feel not still beat. I feel to tell her all this nonsense what she do, make she stop. But when she come they run, that's going to make me vex more. Why you they run?
Me not even know
Mama Twist, which guy you fit tell us all those things may stop. Oh, my gwaleke na omo here when you be gwaleke no ana save.
When you say Mama Twist, Mama in a manner, in a good manner.
No, not children. For me, not picking where you know
good manner help. No, good manner happy. I beg.
No, just bad one.
Man, no gay. Because the first video, but I say no gays. I know they call the follow for back. They follow back.
Don't follow.
Come follow. I see when they go outside. Then, before I come on that video again, now say I first talking. This thing go happen. Eh? I don't want to come pay
the baba me.
Me use this and speak this one. No, keep banging but never care. Oh, bien, that's
me.
I don't see you. I don't see you.
Oh, bien, that's it, bonai.
Mama love.
It's an arrest, but no nebo to why is on nebo. Eh?
Mama, good night. Thank you so much to remove the grace for our body. Mama team. Thank you so much.
Not be single mother face now. Like married woman face now.
She even reach quarter of a single mother.
Person they bad.
Reach quarter of a single mother.
You not rich now. Where single mother?
Rich, eh? If you see Rhoda, not be.
So I know some of a lot of face and people now they comment session.
Mommy teach oh yeah.
Make una talk to her. Make una talk. All those people when they push her, all those men when they push her, they talk wetin they not supposed to talk. As a woman that you say you be married woman. More we come on be mama for his side now. Say you be married woman. What do you they do with midst of men all the time? They talk nonsense. You say they marry you, they put money for your head. Here me again your race sound your web board. Any make you no have a van no quarter.
Ogbe mi onine. That one not get him again. Only no that one ya come lecture, ya come egwe.
I beg you not best to make a quick
when you
talk.
forget it, Papa has done for top of
Queen, how you dey, Queen Love? Mika yedo ya tu wa yedo le nuzo mo wa bota. Wa bota koje wa bota.
Go here.
Many me yo be sa me hin better do. Ana bi me do me na wa. Yeah, ulele na we do. Understand? You know saying in our race that we manivie son we are a guest in no way. Understand?
Mama ze san wari e me we wo.
It is a Saidi Kaze do there because Oku do now I can carry respect to the Solina.
Ome. Bosha. Area ya tu
Mama Tia can say I'm older than you. Maybe do way because in age you were there. I'm 50 years old. I'm I'm 32 years in Europe. So understand everybody's characters. No.
I tap for your grace, so
You are blessed. So that get character, I condemn it. You used to say me, I both to be say family matter, so they take your family. I suppose boy.
No English, no worry. Go. Mama, we dey hear you.
I suppose boy age mate. What did she do this woman? We are against it with the Esa people. Me va se bocha hengbona he Esa ki agbedo.
Esa, oh yeah.
Me va se bocha mi gbona he Esa ki agbedo. O ki resam mamuge. Me va no sugo pa Esa no be wele bo me da be wele bo asa hengbin no setina ye. Me va se mi Esa dwe ki ojana me va se ho he anene e wo mo agwegbe igwele.
Yes, igwele.
Ọmọ na va ruwe di do tu ave jokpa oleno igwele. Akwa agwese oleno ho
agbile
adam we emi no va gba ololu ekono we wori odori alu with your age ega mare vai. I think I was almost like her age. I was 17 plus. Mere vai we bo ma understand, you know. But in me kokomo ikokaba igbelo ri agbo bereja. Igbelo ga agbo bereja. Ni we are getting here, but today I'm blessed with 5 children. You understand? And today, helping me help all my younger ones. Today we are 21 grandchildren in abroad. 21.
Wow. That's nice.
Because I put my head down. If I know say abroad, I know where I was coming from as an African woman. I put one leg down. I don't say because I did abroad, say, but Papa not the man, not the baby, they misbehave. No, I know where I was coming from. I know the torture when I collect. Anybody know a Benin being? This one not be Esan. This one a Benin now. Back in days, from Benin they go Esan. We be like a person we come from abroad. I will always say the truth. If we from Benin they go Esan, we be like people from abroad, from as abroad people they enter Nigeria now. That's what we be. We enter Esan that year. So you can imagine. That's what they carry for inside local village to abroad. So what do you expect? What do you expect? She's a civilized person, you know. She's so lucky. You know, what I say is an opportune. She wasn't expecting the position she is now. She never dreamt of it. Now, what I see with that is an opportunity. As you just see the opportunity and somebody says husband and you grab it. You grab one, that one not there, okay. It's not enough. You start this. This is karma. Let's not need to give juju. Karma work fast. Everything you do in this life is karma. It will come back. It will come back. And she they talk about single mother. They laugh. I'm a single mother. Yes, I am. I've been single for 8 years. And no man don't enter my house. Well, so you can know what you're doing. If you fail if you fail in your relationship, don't fail in motherhood.
Yeah.
All these men, they will come and go. If you want to stick with your baby daddy, be there. I live because of my peace of mind.
When they deported my children's father, they no go do one. I bring her come back. This person will not date. I still bring her come back. You see, huh? Because don't use evil for
you do well. So very bad.
No, because next time here, I know as we they do our heart be. We don't get that wicked mind. You know. You say you just collect Percy husband and you're beating her. See the narrator, you disgrace some people. What is your problem? If I say I'm not call here now, you're not going to say person like me there for this TikTok. You won't know. Because I'm private. I'm not into saga. I don't do that. Saga is okay. I'm not against that. I mind my business. And they use one eye, they look people character. I will just laugh. Because we don't enter abroad in 90s. We know what it did. We pave way for you guys. But we chest down. We chest the pain. We make the white people to become soft for you people. We make